Hello everyone, crafter Mohit Sharma this side from Mohit Craft Works, and in this video I am going to show you all my first ever outgoing swap, which is for Mehna. Her Instagram handle is art by Mehna. So without wasting much of your time, let's start the video, as I am so excited to show you all which things I am sending to her for this happy mail. So let's start. At first, these are the handmade bows which I made with glitter sheet. For the packaging of the embellishments, I have just lock stitched the acetate sheet from the sides and put the pattern paper on the upside and decorate the whole package with some tags, pom-pom lace and ribbon. The pink shades are for the birthday girl and the blue shade are for the birthday boy. At next, these are the tags. These are simple, but they made the project look so attractive. The tag says happy birthday, yay, hooray for today, fabulous. On the next one there is a girl printable and a birthday boy cake and a flag which says yay. There are total 2 packages with 8 tags. Moving to the next things, which are these handmade tassel in yellow, purple and pink shade. Along with the tassel, I have attached some mini charm and some beads, which made the whole package look so attractive, and they are so cute, I must say. So the next things are these lollies. There are total 4 lollies, 2 in each pack. 2 of them are for birthday boy and 2 of them are for birthday girl. As like the previous one, the packaging is same. I have attached some tags which says hip hip hooray, let's eat the cake and happy birthday to you. So the next thing is this big rosette. I have just put so much hard work in making it. This one is basically for the birthday boy, as it is in blue shade. You can see the layering. The first layer is of shaker card and the second one crepe paper, and on the downside I have attached a big paper rosette. I have attached a paper straw and bow and some ribbon tassel. So this is the pink rosette for the birthday girl. The layering is as per as the previous one, just with the difference of color. So moving to the next things, which are these shakers of different shapes. So the first are these triangle shakers which says happy birthday, another year wiser, or make a wish, with some colorful sequins inside it. At next, these are the circle shaker which says happy birthday to you, another one says again happy birthday, and another year wiser. And another one, this is the rectangle shape which says forever fun, forever young, hooray and hooray hooray, along with some different printables. These are so colorful actually. So next thing, this is the embellishment book which is so precious. I have just put my heart and soul in making it. You can see there are so many colorful sequins which I put inside the stitched shaker on the 3 sides of the album. Let me just open it. On the first page there are some banners. Total 4 banners with so many printable and layerings. You can see this is so eye-catching. Some tags, some big tags with the vellum pocket and some printables over it, and I have just put some journal card inside the vellum pocket. Some heart shape embellishment which is cut from the center with some layering. These are the crepe paper rosettes, and these are some big tags, and these are envelopes, and there is a journaling card. I think, yes, there is a journal card inside it. The another card says yay, yay, yay. Moving to the next page. These are the ruffle border along with the printable which says just for you, just for you, and let's eat the cake along with some different printables. These are the hexagonal embellishment which is also cut from the center. The different layering. Some shakers again which says yay. Some tags and some dolly toppers. Let me just go through the whole book again. Okay, so let me just keep this book on the side. So moving to the supplies which I am sending to her. These are the paper pack. This is the collection from Pebble named Happy Cake Day. These are the paper pack. This is so amazing. So the next are these ribbons of different colors. I have just cut it from the stencil. So moving to the next things, which are these pom-pom keyring. As per pom-pom keyrings are so much in the trend, so I think why shouldn't I send her some of them. So moving to the next things, which are these beads, colorful beads and sequins. I have just made the box with the acetate sheet and put the tiny boxes of different sequins inside it. You can see the colors. Actually these are not so clear, but they are so attractive. So next things are these paper straws. These are in plain colors. I really love them just because of this, because most of the straws comes with the stripes. These are simple. So next things are these leather tassel. These are in 4 shades: gray, black, green and blue. So next are these bows. As like the first ones, these are for pink shades are for birthday girl and the blue ones are for birthday boy. They are so gorgeous actually. So these are the, let me just arrange them. These are the colorful wooden clips. I tried to put so many color in a single theme as much as I can. Moving to the shop handmade gifts which I made for her. This is the diary, as he is a great craft influencer, so I have just written the girl boss over the front cover. This pen is so cute. You can see the shakers. These are so attractive, I must say. I have just stitched the front cover from the sides and put the acetate sheet over it so that to keep this diary protected. So next thing is this stand. She can use this for arranging the embellishment or some stuff, some cute stuff. Each and every side of this stand has been protected with the acetate sheet shakers, and I have just put a lot of sequins. She is going to be enjoy it. So moving to the shop bought gifts, this is the scented candle. It is so, the smell of this candle is so amazing and relaxable. As mask is becoming our priority, so why shouldn't I send her mask? This mask is with the polka dot and some mini flowers over it. As it's a birthday theme, so chocolates are important. Without chocolates, birthday theme is not properly defined. So moving to the packaging, I have already pasted the crepe paper on the every side of the box. Let me just take my tissue paper on the downside first. By mistake it got tear. Actually I was opening it. You can see the holes. Sorry for that. Let me just keep the stand on the side as it is so big, and the embellishment book on the another side. Okay, so the next thing is this scented candle. Let me just keep this on the side. Okay, some colorful ribbons. Okay, so the next thing is this rosettes. Let me keep on the downside. I have to arrange it. Arranging the stuff is so tough. I'm so glad that I find a perfect box for assembling these embellishments. It is so hard to find a box. Bows and some handmade bows. Those were the shop bought and these are the handmade. Some paper straws, tassels over the tassels, pom-pom lace, pom-pom key rings, ribbons again, wooden clips. This view is so eye-catching, I must say. I really love each and everything, and I can't wait to know a review about everything. She is going to love each and everything. There are so many things which I tried for the first time. I never made embellishments before, and I'm glad that I did it. Mask, some circle shakers, rectangle shaker, and the circle ones and the triangle ones. Okay, so beads, sequins, and so I am done. I forget to write a letter for her. I will just do it after this video. Let me separate the paper guns. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to share your views in the comment section and like this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.